Hi, my name is Class Inspector. Today inspecting this Skoda for you. Electric vehicle, 2023 insurance write-off structural damage. Damage has been sustained on this front. There are misalignment issues present. Visually, it's a good respray. However, repaired front wing, repaired whole door resprayed on also on the inside. Like I said, visual respray is good. Resprayed rear left door too. Alloy wheels are good. There's good tires, good brakes. It's got accessor plane and wheel bearing and a top mount slide play, so need investigating. There are niggly things you will see. There are some gap issues. There's still structural damage, obviously still evident on a seal edge on this section. There is evidence of the high voltage battery has been removed and a pyro fuse more likely replaced. There's no faults regards to airbag system and no airbag module replacement. I'm suspecting both front seat belts being replaced too, because the dates doesn't match and countries of manufacture doesn't match. They all should be the same. So there's by a few months out front seat belts. Regards to the underside, you will see the scrapes on a battery, high voltage battery panel, etc. of evidence of removal. All the trims broken, scuffed. So, but that would be in line for the insurance write-off. Mentioned the gap is not proper on that side. Otherwise, it's got a fair wear and tear. It only has 17,000 miles on it, so it has some minor wear on it, as you've seen your car yourself, but quite a bit on this seat. So it's on a seat belt for the 17,000. So there was loads of sporadic faults, but they're mostly around this September this year. There's nothing sort of abnormal. We'll do another scan and clear them off and see what comes back after the road test. AC heating, everything works. High voltage battery degradation only 2%. High voltage coolant is below minimum and it's minus 23. I should be around minus 36. So they obviously, like I said, they had to drop the high voltage battery, disconnect the cooling and reconnect it. That is the vehicle. I will just do gentle drive because of the excessive wheel bearing play, just to see if it drives forward. So that would need to be repaired before you, if you're considering it's somehow satisfactory. It's not an industry standard repair, never will be. However, once it's fixed, it is sort of safe, you know. But obviously, repairs, as you will see in the pictures, as they are. Obviously, regards to rejection, there is reason to reject as it's an insurance write-off. You have to evaluate whether that will work for you. Thanks for using us.